Hello and welcome to the channel. And the topic for today is SAS. I should start by mentioning that every time I see a plane from this company, I always imagine Sting singing "Send me now an SAS." Yep, that was a joke. And yes, I know Sting. That's how old I am. But anyway, I must continue by saying that SAS Airlines, officially known as Scandinavian Airlines, is the flag carrier of not one, not two, but three countries, and they are Denmark, Norway and Sweden. Founded in 1946, they fly to 130 destinations worldwide. They own a fleet of 133 planes, of which 2 are Embraer 195 and the rest comes from the Airbus family. And that's all. Hope you enjoyed the video. I liked the joke I made at the beginning. I'm a funny guy. Oh, you don't think I'm funny? Well, do you know who thinks I'm funny? My mother. Yeah, my mother thinks I'm funny. So yeah, anyway, be kind and generous and always keep your eyes in the sky.